So in this video, I'm going to go over a phone mount, actually a magnetic phone mount for a F-150. Now, this company makes phone mounts for several other vehicles, but I seen this and I just had to pick one up. And let me show you why. This one does something that the one that I used to use doesn't. So you see how this one is? It goes in and it locks onto the actual vent right there. The problem with one of these, it eliminates the ability to use your vent to turn it up and down, to go left and right with it. Well, I was always curious if there was something that actually would not like cause that problem. Well, these guys have the solution for you. So let me show you everything that was in the box. I've already been using it and testing it out. Then I wanted to do a quick video for you. So showing you what it came in, this little white box right here, and it came in like all these pieces. So this is a ring that you would add to the back of your phone. I have a case that has this ring on it, so I don't really have to worry about the ring, so we don't need that. You get a little wrench, a little Allen key. It has a Phillips head on that side, an Allen key on that side. This is just an extra piece that I guess you can add on it, but I didn't need that because it already has it on there. Now, the way this works, you see this bolt right here? This bolt loosens up. So what you're going to do, you're going to loosen it up, and then this piece goes in the angle up here. It can almost hold by itself, and then you use this ball mount right here and stick all this together and your phone hooks onto it. It's all covered in the instructions right here. This was very simple to install. Let me go ahead and install it, then let me show you and install and show you how awesome this thing works. You're just going to tighten this down. You don't want to over tighten it, just get it nice and snug. Check that out. There's the mount and it will not move. Now let me show you what I like about this. I can use my vent. It did not affect my vent at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this ball mount on there. Okay, to install this, what I did, I just pretty much tightened up right down here. Held it. You got to hold it with two hands, line that up. Check this out. Look how nicely that sets up there. So if it's in vertical mode while I'm driving right here, it's all in vertical mode. If I'm gonna go to horizontal mode, I can go to horizontal mode. That is so awesome, and it's so strong. This is very strong. You can adjust it, see how it's locked into place, loosen that up, and check it out. I can go higher with it. If I wanna go way up higher, I can move it up there. Now it's pushed in. The problem with an F-150, you have your gear shifter is right here. Well, on mine anyway, the newer ones have it down here in the bottom, but the gear shifter hit this one right here. So when I had this one up, and you're kind of limited on space right here. This company also makes one that's got a charger built in, but I don't like having wires and all that ran. I just have a wire in here if I need to. I just run the charge cable up and then I charge it from my USB port right here. I didn't see the need in running a wire back and forth. I just don't like seeing wires, basically, if we can keep from it. Has a very premium feel to it. This is made out of metal. It's not cheap plastic. So this is all metal right in there. All of that is metal, and it's very solidly made. So it has a good premium feel to it. This is the best phone holder that I've had in any vehicle, especially one that works inside of a vent that I've ever had. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know what, the magnetic vent fold holder. See y'all in the next video.